Today we are going to talk law of attraction about one of the most effective technique, water technique. Water technique is one such technique which is used a lot in the law of attraction. Many people worldwide, many successful people worldwide use this technique in daily life and have achieved a lot of abundance. I am practicing law of attraction since last many years, and since I've learned this technique, since then I have been using affirmation or visualization along with that. I do water technique daily in my life, and I have seen the results of many people. I have talked to a lot of people. Which one technique after which you felt that the result came very fast with you? So many people have given the name as water technique. So we decided, why not? By simplifying it, explain this technique in a very simple way. I am going to tell this technique in simple 7 steps. Very easy 7 steps. Whom you understand in your life will be able to understand this water technique very easily and will be able to implement 100%. In the first step, you have to take a glass. Keep in mind that this glass can be of steel, it can be a glass of glass, it can be any kind of glass. It could be a bottle, it can be anything that holds water. Keep in mind that there is nothing special about this shape in this. The only special thing in this is that it can hold water. So the first step is identifying the object you will be pouring the water into. In the second step, before you pour water in this glass, you have to be very clear about what you want in life. What do you want to manifest? Want to achieve abundance? Want to get a job? Want to achieve success in career? Want to ask for money? Want something related to relationship? Want something related to life partner? Want something related to health? Whatever you want, you should be absolutely clear about that. You have to set your intent exactly here, that I can use this technique of attraction. What do I want to attract in life by using it? In the third step, you have to pour water in this glass. And while pouring water, just thinking that only positive energy is going inside this glass. Recruitment is going on. And you should feel that it's got so much positive energy that whoever comes around it will get only positivity. It will be able to attract anything in life with the intentions I set. They're too close. In the fourth step, you have to energize this water. When you energize this water, so what do you have to do? You have to watch this water very carefully. When you look at this water very carefully, so you will feel that there is a very positive energy around it. And you will feel that around this water there is a white and a golden colored light is rotating. A very lovely vibration in this. A very positive energy is coming, through which you can achieve everything in your life. You have to feel this vibration. You got to feel that energy. And to energize the entire water, so your positive energy will remain in your hands. So this by default will continue to energize. You have to feel that energy again and again in this water. Feel every moment that if I drink this water, then in life, I can achieve anything. I have put my demands in life. Now whatever I want to manifest in my life, I will achieve it. As well as the intent you set, you start thinking about it. After holding this water in hand and feeling the energy, you have to remember that thing again and again, which you had set the intention earlier. Do you know what I want? Start thinking about it. You can also say any of your affirmations at this time. The things you wanted to do, you will attract that thing. So you are related to it even after making an affirmation. You can repeat the affirmation at this time and can visualize the same thing which is happening. So these are all the ways that you energize this glass of water. In the next step, you have to drink this water and feel it, that whatever intention you set, its energy is going into my body. You have to visualize that all the energy that I put into it, when I am taking it inside, when I am drinking this water, then all that energy, energizing every cell in my body, giving positivity, and I'm able to attract all those things in life which I want to do ultimately. So you will have to drink the whole glass of water quickly. You have to feel gratitude after drinking water. You have to feel that all the things I just asked for, all those things have been completed. I have manifested all those things just what I asked for. When you are grateful, then what is the speed of your law of attraction? The speed of attraction, the speed of manifestation, it multiplies. And in this type, you have to feel that as soon as all those wishes of mine have been fulfilled, just what I asked for, so I pray to God for this, or to the universe this teaches for this, I feel thankful. I say thank you. In the last step, you have to take care of this, that whenever you drink water, as much as possible, you keep doing this process. Keep in mind that many times we can't do the complete process directly. Can't energize by taking it in hand like this. Many times, if you are out, keep the bottle in hand for a while, keep the glass in hand, speak with your positive affirmations in it, speak quickly and drink that water. Do this process as many times as you can. Once a day, twice a day, 10 times a week. Keep doing this process whenever you get a chance. Sometimes you will forget, but whenever you remember, do not forget this process at all. And I can tell you this technique can help you achieve all those things which you have been waiting for many years. So friends, this was that technique through which you can attract many things in your life. As I said, I myself go to the water manifestation. I adopt water technique daily in my life. I use daily. How many times a day I drink water? I try to practice this as many times as possible. Sometimes I forget, but times whenever I remember, I try to do this as many times a day as I can. Because water is such a thing that we do several times a day. That is, we have many opportunities throughout the day through which we can use this technique. You can attract abundance in your life. You can achieve that with the help of law of attraction. God bless you.